Most people with bad credit think they have no options when an emergency hits. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many instant cash advance apps don't focus heavily on traditional credit scores anymore. Instead, they look at your banking activity, deposits, and repayment behavior. The problem is that many users panic, download random apps, and end up paying high fees or getting denied instantly. In this video, I'll show you the best instant cash advance apps for bad credit, how they actually work, and the smartest way to avoid making your financial situation worse. Let's get straight into it. One of the most popular options right now is Dave. Dave is known for working with users who have average or poor credit because the app focuses more on account activity than credit history. Let's say Jake had missed credit card payments last year, but he still receives regular deposits into his account. Dave may still approve smaller instant advances for emergencies like groceries or fuel. The biggest advantage is accessibility. Many users get approved faster compared to traditional lenders. But here's the problem. Initial advance amounts are usually small. Many people expect $500 instantly, but most apps start lower until they see successful repayments. Another strong option is Earnin. Earnin works especially well for people with active income and predictable deposits. For example, Alex works hourly shifts and gets paid weekly. Even with a low credit score, Earnin may allow him to access part of his earnings early. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earnin often cares more about income consistency than your actual credit score. That's why many users with poor credit still qualify successfully. Next is MoneyLion. MoneyLion has become more flexible in 2026 and combines instant advances with banking tools and credit-building features. This can help users improve financial habits while still accessing emergency cash. This is where most people fail. They focus only on getting money fast and ignore repayment timing. If repayments hit your account before your balance recovers, you can trigger overdrafts and additional fees. In a minute, I'll show you the safest way to use these apps without falling into a borrowing cycle. Another option worth checking is Albert. Albert offers smaller advances and simple approval systems for many users with limited or damaged credit history. The app interface is beginner-friendly and easier to manage compared to more complex lending platforms. Here's the smart strategy. Use instant cash advance apps only for short-term emergencies. Not for monthly bills you already know are coming. If you repeatedly borrow every paycheck cycle, repayment pressure can grow very quickly. Also, avoid applying to too many apps at once. Multiple repayment withdrawals can overlap and drain your account unexpectedly. So, the best instant cash advance apps for bad credit in 2026 are Dave, Earnin, MoneyLion, and Albert. The best choice depends on your income consistency, banking history, and how responsibly you handle repayments. If this video helped you understand your options and avoid costly mistakes, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which cash advance app worked best for your situation.